Alright guys, welcome back to Make an Adventure. I'm Kimi, and today on the adventure truck build, I don't know what we're calling this yet. I still don't know the name to call this truck. So if you got some good ideas, leave that down in the comments. We are going to be securing the frames that we made to the bins, and then hopefully building some doors. Let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is put a bead of Sikaflex 252 all the way around the outside of the square, and it's the same high strength adhesive that we use to secure the panels to the side of the truck, so it should hold this frame on really solid. Now that we've got this bracket in here secure, it's Sikaflexed in. The Sikaflex here is pretty much dry. This bracket here, I want to find the center of, this is going to be our door, and then find the center of the frame. And then I bought these piano hinges, find the center of those as well. Okay, now we just need to line up all those centers, and then we should be good to mount this end of our door. Went and picked up some stainless steel rivets to mount this stainless steel piano hinge, so hopefully nothing will ever rust out. I don't think we've done rivets on the channel before. Very carefully drill your hole. And when you do that, it pops, a little nub comes off. That's before and after. So this solid bit stays in the frame, and that's our nice solid connection. So the dragging across the bottom that you hear, I don't like it, and I spent a lot of time on these bins trying to make them as square as possible. The reason that we're getting this dragging is the slop in the hinge, which is, I mean, I can't really avoid that. No big deal, really. It'll still function properly. It just kind of bugs me a bit. So it's already 9 p.m. Can't cut the skin to fit in this whole area. For now, that's gonna have to be it. For us, it'll be, you know, overnight, and then work, and then off, and then back to working on the truck. For you guys, it'll be right now. Here's our latching mechanism that we got from E-Trailer, and it just has a square hole. The next step we have to do, cut a hole in the side of this so that we can put the actual flap for the door handle. Wow, that fit very nicely the first time. I'll take that. So that's what it's gonna look like. So as I look at this, there's a gap right back here, right behind. So I don't know if this is, if we made a mistake when we ordered it, but there's a gap right here, and I need to not have a gap right there. So my panel will sit flush. I'm gonna have to ponder that. Alright, so after pondering and trying to figure out how I was going to make that fit, this is what I came up with. Just cut the back out. Easy. Now the next step is to put a skin across this. So we've got pieces of aluminum, same thickness of this outside edge, so 080. We're going to cut that down to skin over top. Then these bends should be done. So now that the skin is on, the last thing I have to do is just put on the door handle. It didn't work. I mean, it's on there, so we're gonna have to go back, figure something else out. This is probably the most challenging part of the truck build, is these bins that we're doing here. I don't know how I'm gonna fix this gap. Maybe leave me suggestions down in the comments. I don't know about this one. I'm gonna be thinking about this for a while, so there might not be a video next week. So subscribe so you can see when we do upload our next one. See you guys next time.